Hi writers, welcome to week 2. This video is going to go over what's happening week 2 as we delve deeper into short story. We have 2 discussions this week. If you're on the home page, you can scroll down just a bit. Remember, any questions for the course go here. But this is what's happening week 2. So we've got the short story by Kate Chopin in discussion 4, and that is a story of an hour. Some of you have read it, some of you it's new to you, some of you have read other works by Chopin, The Awakening, perhaps. I remember reading that one when I was at Fresno State. But anyhow, we have a video here that's going over the discussion, but make sure you either watch the video or pay very close attention to the description and to the prompt here. The other discussion that we have for week 2 is Amy Tan's story, Fish Cheeks. So some of you are familiar with Amy Tan, maybe you're not. She is amazing, as I discuss here. She's also the author of The Joy Luck Club and many other stories. She is also, if I didn't mention it in this video, which I think I did, she's also in a band with Stephen King, friends with Stephen King, and I believe in a band with Stephen King. Anyhow, make sure you follow directions here for Amy Tan's Fish Cheeks. We're kind of slowly easing into our semester with these stories. Also, don't forget that you're going to want to go back over the concepts for story for what are stories from last week. You want to apply those concepts to these stories, whether it's setting or tone or character or plot. Any of the kind of things that you notice in the story. It could be a symbol. We have the story of an hour as the title for one. What does that mean? And then we also have fish cheeks. What does that mean? What does that symbolize in the story? So again, play, have fun. Have a wonderful, wonderful week 2. If you have any questions, make sure you post them online. Also, don't forget, we have some orientations online that will help strengthen your online skills. There's 3 different links here for you to sign up for that. And then we have resources here on the bottom for MLA and for tutoring. If you're not able to come to campus, on the side here we have NetTutor. You can submit your work, any work from any of your classes that is writing, to NetTutor. So again, have a great week 2.